I'm standing here on Arch Street in the middle of UMB campus, and we now have a very special addition to this wonderful thoroughfare. In addition to the hanging plants and the beautiful landscaping, we now have art on the wall. There are beautiful pieces here for people to view as they walk by, and it shows you just how many talented people there are on this campus with respect to their art.
It's basically just a long exposure. So I think I ran it for like 30 seconds. I know it brings me joy to really see my pieces up on the wall. A lot of it takes, it's work. Some people, I know it takes a lot of hard work getting your art done, but stick with it and continue to enjoy doing what you're doing.
So I'd like to ask Mr. Alex Lukowski to come over here and stand beside me for a minute. He's got a picture up on this wall. It's right there, and it's a heron. Alex, why in creation do you think they picked your photograph?
Well, I have no idea, but I do support what we do. I do like the other galleries, and I thought, you know, I enjoy taking the pictures, so why not send them in?
So how did it make you feel to be a published artist?
It was exciting. My kids loved it. My wife was very happy. It was very exciting.
And I really do enjoy making art. I've had several different pieces through those journals, anywhere from painting to photographs, but I think wood burning is my favorite because there is a little bit of challenge in wood burning. Wood is unforgiving. You cannot make a mistake, so you have to be precise.
The people that I've worked with over, the years and everything in, several different labs were walking by and going, "Oh, that looks like your stuff." It is, But then the other thing too is that some of these pieces are really profound and they aren't paying attention to art until it's presented like this. This makes it totally accessible, and I think that's really important.
As AP Graphics was doing the work, and just as they were finishing up, folks were walking by and making great comments. I think one person made a comment about how nice it is that the school at UMB does this for us. So it's kind of for the community, for everyone.
So UMB is an urban university. We don't have a lot of green spaces. And now we've added all of this gorgeous art to the concrete. And now we have one more place to go when we're just walking from building to building, classroom to meeting, where we can feel a sense of community and just take a moment to breathe and see beauty in our day-to-day life.